Warm temperatures. We are currently at 90 degrees with winds coming out of the northwest at just 8 miles per hour, and humidity is at 43%, so it's feeling a little bit hotter. There is some partly cloudy skies across north central West Virginia right now. Not really any precipitation this afternoon, but we are expected to see some thunderstorms a little bit later tonight. You can see some very spotty showers developing in central Ohio. This will slowly but surely eventually make its way towards us and could provide us with some heavy showers and some potentially slightly stronger storms. Temperatures in the lowlands are in the upper 80s and low 90s. Higher elevations anywhere from the upper 70s to the mid 80s. Tomorrow morning we're going to only drop to the low 70s, maybe upper 60s in the lowlands, and higher elevations only to the mid to upper 60s. So it's going to be another muggy night. We could see some thunderstorms lingering into tomorrow morning from tonight, and we're likely to see some more rounds tomorrow night. 90s right now, and then you factor in that humidity that has been high all week, and it feels even warmer, getting up into the mid and even upper 90s in some of those heat indexes further out towards the west. So definitely feeling a little bit stuffy today, but overall the sky cover is pretty nice. Just some partly cloudy skies, not really a whole lot of but this is sort of what we expected this afternoon. There is still precipitation in our midst. We're not totally done with showers and thunderstorms just yet. We've still got a couple more days and a couple more rounds because of this low pressure system that's going to be approaching over the next couple of days, along with disturbances that are going to continue to be rolling off of it as it gets closer to us. So we've got one that's moving through Ohio right now that's going to reach us later tonight. And that disturbance has the potential to bring some slightly stronger storms to the area. So we are under a marginal risk for severe weather, mainly because of the potential of some isolated, strong, gusty winds. We'll also have the potential for much of our DMA to be seeing some heavier rain showers. This has been an ongoing issue, not so much an issue because we definitely need the precipitation, but we've had that ongoing chance for excessive rainfall with all of the showers this week because there's a lot of precipitable water in the atmosphere. As you can tell with that humidity, it's just a very moist atmosphere right now. So any showers that fall have the potential to become very heavy. The same threats are going to exist for Thursday. This is likely for thunderstorms that we see Thursday night and into Friday morning. Again, a chance for some of those wind gusts to get a little bit stronger and potentially damaging, and that marginal risk for excessive rainfall then spreads across all of north central West Virginia. Once again, Friday, marginal risk for severe weather and marginal risk for excessive rainfall. Again, we are still within drought conditions, anywhere from moderate to extreme in north central West Virginia, so the rain is definitely necessary. Flooding is not very likely because of how badly we need that rain. However, because those showers are going to be so heavy at any given time, there's a small potential for some minor high water issues, mainly in areas that have seen the most precipitation over the past couple of days so far. Those are the areas in the brighter greens, and also just in general poor drainage areas that can't disperse that water fast enough if it comes down a little bit too heavy. So just be practicing mindfulness when you're driving near floodwaters. Do not try to drive through them. Just turn around, try to find an alternate route. Eventually they will recede. We're not expecting very widespread flooding issues. So for the next couple of hours, we'll continue to just see partly cloudy skies. It's not until we approach midnight that we see that line of scattered thunderstorms from Ohio approaching north central West Virginia. These could continue into the overnight hours. Again, very scattered. Some of us might not even really see precipitation from this, but some of it could linger into early Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon. Most of us will probably have an afternoon similar to today's. There could be some pop-up showers in the higher elevations. It's a bit more likely in that area rather than in the lowlands. There's likely going to be another disturbance moving through Thursday night into Friday morning, kind of a similar time period to what we'll see tonight into tomorrow morning. Friday afternoon, we could see some stray showers here and there. There's going to be a lot of activity in the region. It'll start to calm down Friday night and into Saturday morning. Then Saturday afternoon, we're going to see more scattered showers and thunderstorms arising. Probably going to be a similar situation to today, tomorrow, and Friday, where it's going to be a marginal risk for severe weather and a marginal risk for excessive rainfall. Once we start to get past Saturday, then we will start to clear out of this precipitation. In the meantime, our humidity is expected to stay high at least through Saturday. We're going to be kind of lingering into that very humid to oppressive feeling. It does start to come down heading into next week. It's really the next 2 days that it's going to be feeling really muggy. Those temperatures are going to be very similar to today with very high humidity. It's going to be a bit lower of a temperature on Saturday, and as the temperatures rise again heading into next week,